everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Suhair Khan and today I'm going to tell you how you can add checkboxes and assign a boolean value so that it can be calculated in the form of a formula. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest update. To add checkboxes, you need to make sure you have this developer tabs active in your Microsoft Excel. In Windows laptop, all you need to do is put a right click over here anywhere on the ribbon and go to customize ribbon. In a Mac operating system, you need to go to Excel and preferences, and then you need to select ribbons and toolbars. The rest of that looks the same. And if you see on main tabs, there will be this option developer tab, which is unchecked. Just click on that and click save. It will add a developer tab on your Microsoft Excel. Go to the first cell and click on developer tab, and here from insert option in Windows you will have an option for checkbox. In Microsoft on Mac operating system, you will have this checkbox option over here. Click on that checkbox and then you will see your cursor is changed to a cross. Go to the cell, just click one time and it will add a checkbox along with this text. You can just click on this text and select the whole text and then delete this text. But the problem is, if you have seen, this was the whole area which was covered by this checkbox. So if I click anywhere on that, it will mark it. I just want to avoid this thing. Just right click on this and then reduce the size of checkbox to the specific cell that you are working in. Once it is set, you just need to select this cell and drag it till third day and then drag it down as well. You can see we have copied a few more checkboxes. How we can remove checkbox? Right click on this thing and put cut. Do it for all three if you made extra accidentally. Now I just want, if I select this one, there should be an automatically updated count over here. For that purpose, what we will do, we will assign a number to it or boolean to it by format control. If I click on format control, it asks for unchecked. I will just select the cell in which it exists and I will click OK. Similarly, I will do the same for format control and then select this cell and third one. Now I have assigned these cell to it. If I click on this, it will show this true value behind this. And if it is unchecked, it shows false. All you need to do, just select these things and paint it as white so you don't see it. Now here I will use a formula called count ifs. Count if or count ifs, whatever you want to use. I will select this cell, comma, and the criteria would be a true written over here, and then I will close. Now if I click on this, it will count as 1, it will count as 2, and then 3. So every time a true is written over here, currently it's false, it will not calculate it. You can do the same for all of these cells by applying the same and then dragging the same formula. Like if I click on this, I will do one more for you, one row, and I can select this, I can press OK. Similarly with this, and third one is this, and now if I click it over here, it will show the count again. So this is how you can add checkboxes in Microsoft Excel and then assign it a boolean value which can eventually be calculated in the form of formula. If you like this content, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel so that I can share more related and informative videos with you. Thank you so much.